What's up, guys? This is Jake with JC Lewis Ford Statesboro. Guys, I'm bringing you a brand new BMW. This model just dropped this year, guys. This is the top of the line BMW 3 Series that BMW is offering right now. Guys, this is the BMW M340i. Guys, as we come around here, you'll see some amazing styling, some exterior stylings that are specific to the 340i. These awesome LED headlights, as well as a special front grille just for the 340i. Guys, this BMW M340i comes with a 3-liter twin-turbo engine, putting out over 380 horsepower in a small sedan like this. That will get up and go. We come around here, we see our BMW M brakes, as well as rims that are standard to the M cars here. And you'll see your back badging that lets everybody know you're driving the M car. Guys, as we come around to the interior of this amazing BMW M340i, you'll see a lot of stuff BMW has been working on over the years. A ton to talk about here, from the custom shifter here that will control your center stack, your center console display. You can see that there. This is a touch screen. It also has really everything you would want out of a entertainment stack in your car, from navigation to different themes, all the way to XM radio, FM, global positioning stuff, really everything you'd want. This is the M specific steering wheel you'll see here, as well as your center stack LCD navigation. It also has a G-force reader, so you can tell and work on different smooth turns, quicker driving, that kind of thing, improve your track times. Speaking of track times, guys, BMW offers some cool driving features. We've got a comfort feature for that kind of comfortable touring driving. We've got an Eco Pro that still gives you some performance, but allows you to get a little bit better gas mileage. And then, guys, we've got a sport mode here that you can either configure your individual powertrain options, like sport, steering, engine, and transmission options. Go with the standard sport mode, which is a dynamic driving feel, or you can go with the Sport Plus, which gives you the extra dynamic feel. Is really truly an exhilarating driving feel, guys. You can also see this has the intelligent safety package from BMW, which will give you readouts of where pedestrians are, vehicles are, parking information. So it really does a good job of keeping you safe inside of this vehicle. We also have a sunroof, as you'll see here, those beautiful sunny days here in South Georgia. And guys, there's just a ton to love about this awesome BMW M340i. Come take a look. JC Lewis Ford, Statesboro, Georgia. Check for the car guy.